Hey everyone, I'm Gardening with Ben. Let's have a look around our allotment as spring starts to arrive. As you can see, the crocuses are starting to open, which is looking absolutely gorgeous. Thing is though, they don't seem to last long, but hopefully we start to get some daffodils out soon. But yeah, I love a bit of spring colour arriving in the allotment. And look, we've still got some snowdrops out, blowing in the wind. Hopefully, we need to get some more snowdrops ready for next year. We've not got enough snowdrops in our garden, and they're the first things to open. But yeah, we're going to have all daffodils all down this side, and hopefully lots of others. Rhubarb's looking good. That's all starting to pop through. Hopefully we'll be having our rhubarb crumble pretty soon. Usually pick first lot around April time. So hopefully it keeps on growing and we don't get cold weather and it kills it off again. We've got loads of daffodils down this side, all popping up. These are usually a bit later because they're a bit shaded in this area. But we've got this as well, bulb lasagna with different bulbs on all different levels. So hopefully this is going to look absolutely gorgeous when it all starts to pop up and come out. The buds are starting to come out on my loganberries as well. That's a sure sign spring is on the way and that it's getting warmer when all the buds start popping out on the fruit bushes. So yeah, I'm looking forward to lots of loganberries this year. They're absolutely gorgeous. That's if the blackbird doesn't get them or the squirrels. But yeah, hopefully this area will be covered in strawberries as well come summertime. But that's my allotment, everyone.